Android is everywhere. It powers over 70% of devices worldwide, with millions of apps being installed from the Play Store daily. According to Evans data, there are currently 5.9 million Android developers across the globe. Do you want to join their ranks? Because you are just one step away from becoming a part of this vast and thriving community. Welcome to the Android Compost Essentials course, where I will be your guide. My name is Soed Tanvir Ahmed, and I am a professional instructor specializing in mobile application development. There are over 10,000 courses on Android app development available on Udemy, which speaks volumes about the demand and excitement surrounding Android development. But let me save you time and give you clear reasons why this course is worth your attention. Even if you have never written a single line of code, I will teach you how to build native Android apps from scratch. We will use Kotlin, a modern, powerful programming language recommended by Google for Android development. This course focuses on Jetpack Compose, the cutting-edge declarative UI framework also endorsed by Google for building Android interfaces. We will follow the latest Android architecture guidelines and principles such as separation of concerns, driving UI from models, single source of truth, and repository pattern. Additionally, we will incorporate best practices like dependency injection. Together, we will build projects from scratch, no starter templates or pre-written code. You will witness firsthand how to break down complex problems and solve them through well-structured code. This course will be regularly updated to ensure you stay engaged with the most up-to-date topics and techniques in Android development. One common complaint from developers is that their code doesn't age well, making updates and expansions difficult. This happens due to a lack of structure and planning from the start. In this course, you will learn to write clean, well-organized code from the very beginning, making you feel proud and confident as a developer. By the end, you will have a solid foundation that many developers struggle to achieve even after years of experience. My goal is to help you grow confident as a developer and understand what it truly takes to become a proficient programmer. Whether you are new to Android development or an experienced developer from another platform looking to create beautiful native Android applications, this course is for you. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. I'm thrilled to be your companion as you take your first steps towards mastering Android development.